the Audi A5 Sportback Quattro. You've seen the picture earlier and you're probably thinking, is this a new car? Yes, it is a new car. The most prominent new feature in the front, of course, the silhouette, the shape, still like the previous one, but it's the front, the grille. There's a little bit of elements from the Audi Sport Quattro from the 1980s. Just a little bit. I'll have to point it out to show it to you. But that's what Audi wants to sell. You know, this sporting rally pedigree. And then there's the flared, muscular front arches that shows a real purposeful image as this car approaches you in your rearview mirror. That's it if you can't afford to buy it. Now it's got a 2-liter TFSI engine. This particular model comes with a 249 brake horsepower engine with 370 Newton meters of torque. 0 to 100 in a sizzling 5.6 seconds. Yes, 5.6 seconds, which means this is not a slow car. On top of that is Quattro 4-wheel drive, which is the Audi speak, the Audi word for all-wheel drive technology. Subaru has symmetrical all-wheel drive. Mercedes has 4MATIC. BMW has got X on it. So you've got all-wheel drive. You've got a quick engine, which is buttery smooth in its power delivery. I use the word buttery smooth.
I'm afraid it's not possible to enter a destination in Malaysia using spoken commands.
She's talking to me. And it's so silky, responsive. Immediately you get something going on with you. This is the beauty of the TFSI engine in the Audi. The interior of this A5 Sportback is good. It's spacious. As a Sportback design, you get a lot of boot space at the back. It's important for some people, but the legroom at the back is good for tall people. In front, it's wide. There's enough space for a large person. You got comfortable seats. You got this nice build quality fitment all around the cabin. Infotainment system, safety features, Audi, no question. It's all there. But when you buy an Audi in Malaysia, it's always about, you know, access to after sales and warranty and everything else, which is not that it's a problem. The problem is, the issue is there's only 3 outlets, and there's none in Borneo and there's none in the east coast of Malaysia. So this reduces the appeal of the vehicle against its immediate competitors, Mercedes and BMW. But there's really nothing lacking in terms of driving it and you know, ownership. I mean, outside of what the official importer sells, I think the grey market, the used car market, the imported used car market is selling 3 times the number. You go to the showrooms and there's Audis everywhere, from the SUVs to the sedans and the sports cars. So there is a demand, there is a big liking for premium German cars from Ingolstadt. That's where Audi is from. So this is brand new. It's in the showrooms right now. Full after sales, full warranty system. 249 brake horsepower, 370 Newton meters of torque, 0 to 100 acceleration time in 5.6 seconds. All this is a neat little package for 370 odd thousand ringgit. Take it for a test drive. I know the price sounds a little bit high, but remember, this is fully imported, all-wheel drive, and you've got this wonderful performance. Smooth, easy to drive, responsive engine.